How are you folks? Trade Idea Stock Market Scanning Technology. We're looking here at our virtual trading assistant, Holly. Always important to highlight human and machine, that neither is better without the other. Machine giving us quality signals here. We could start with MNTS. 399, we get that signal. You know, we don't always have to jump right on these. We can see we come down out of the money for a moment before exploding up through the entry level and $4 and then exploding on beyond $5 here. I want to also highlight that, you know, this isn't just a take a trade and hold it. We got to be traders. We got to be managers of our risk here. When we see we take this initial trade and we get rejected up here just under $5 for falling, you know, no successful trader would let a trade reverse on them like that. Another great thing that came from this is multiple setups, multiple opportunities throughout the day on this here. So almost like a watch list for the whole day on getting involved and trading this. The volume stayed pretty decent for most of the day here. We're going to look at a real big winner, VSTO, a short here. We get an early signal, bleeds real hard, real early on. Really stayed right down there the whole day. Just a real solid looking trade on that short side. You know, never really got into any pain whatsoever. And last but not least, I want to highlight here what we call a second mouse gets the cheese. So MLTX here. We get a short signal here early, right? And we end up coming and getting wicked and stopped out up here. However, if we were patient throughout the day watching, eventually we get a breakdown of it, and a very nice breakdown on this trade here. So again, machines providing us quality signals. As traders, we got to decide if and when it's right to take those trades. You just can't rush in just because a machine put that out. There's a highlight for us. Again, important to manage that risk. If you like what you saw here, you want to see more, trade-ideas.com. Come visit us, check us out, start a live chat, ask us some questions. We're available to you all hours of the day. Take care, folks.